In my last video, I did mention that Apple is trudging through murky waters with their augmented reality headset. I was not being a pessimist. I actually analyzed the reception of the Apple Vision Pro. Having not forgotten what happened to Google Glass, it was unlikely that the same would not happen to Apple Vision Pro. Again, I may be wrong, but it is what it is. There are all signs of something not going according to Apple's playbook. Few hours after Vision Pro announcement, social media went ablaze with memes like these. So today, how has Apple reacted to that underwhelming reception? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Tech Tales. Don't miss a bit. Subscribe to this channel to join our community of tech aficionados and explore the future of tech. Let's get started. Apple's entry into the mixed reality domain appears to have been hasty. According to reports, the company is scaling back production of the Apple Vision Pro headset, which was unveiled at the Worldwide Developers Conference on June 5, 2023. Financial Times has reported that Apple will contract Luxshare to assemble fewer than 400,000 units of the Apple Vision Pro devices in 2024. Additionally, two individual component suppliers based in China have received orders for approximately 130,000 to 150,000 devices. The release of the Apple Vision Pro is scheduled for early 2024, but the longer-than-usual delay between the product launch and availability is attributed to specific limitations in the hardware supply chain. As reported by the Sony, the supplier of the OLED on-silicon panels for the Apple Vision Pro, has declined to increase production from 100,000 to 200,000 units per quarter in the upcoming year. According to Financial Times, the reason for Apple's reported shift towards a pessimistic sales outlook is attributed to the design intricacies and notably lower productivity of suppliers involved in producing 4K micro-OLED displays and lenticular lens. It should be noted that the $3,500 price tag for the spatial computing device is based on the original internal sales target of 1 million devices being sold. Electronic devices tend to be cheaper once production is scaled up, so with factoring in the production cut back to 400,000, a 60% decline from 1 million devices in the first year impact the already higher price point? There are two reasons why it is unlikely that Apple's production reduction is a result of the market losing confidence in the device. Firstly, the market has limited knowledge about the specific functionalities of the premium-priced device, although this lack of information can be viewed from both positive and negative perspectives. Secondly, expert endorsements have positioned the new product's significance on par with the iPhone during its initial launch, indicating a positive reception rather than a loss of confidence. Despite this, the $3,500 Apple Vision Pro device lacks broad consumer appeal, leading Apple to work on a non-pro mixed reality device. The impact of the production cutback on Apple's go-to-market strategy for the more affordable mixed reality headset model, slated for release by the end of 2025, remains uncertain. It is unclear whether Apple will opt for the mini LED screen or continue with the micro-OLED technology used in the Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro represents the newest inclusion in Apple's growing ecosystem of hardware and software offerings. This ecosystem encompasses a range of products and services such as iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, Apple TV+, iCloud, Apple Music, iMessage, Apple Pay, and numerous others. On 30th June, Apple ascended to and closed above $3 trillion in market capitalization, making it the first company to do so. Do you believe the Apple Vision Pro is marketable at a price of $3,500? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section and subscribe to this channel to get updated on the latest developments around Apple Vision Pro.